I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you notice a fraudulent charge on your Ally app, disputing it can be straightforward. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Open the Ally app. Launch the Ally app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions section. This is where you can view all your recent charges and identify the fraudulent one. Step 3. Select the fraudulent charge. Find the charge you want to dispute and tap on it. This will bring up more details about the transaction, including the merchant name and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you don't see the option, try refreshing the app or logging out and back in. Step 5. Provide necessary information. Fill out any required fields, such as your reason for disputing the charge. Submit the form and keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your dispute. I hope these steps help you resolve any fraudulent charges quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.